Welcome to the Inspire range. The Inspire Power Pro range of power supplies are housed in sturdy, stackable metal cases with integral ABS carry handles. The Power Pro Prime power supply is the entry-level unit, providing 2 to 14 volts AC and DC in 9 steps, up to 6 amps. The maximum voltage can be preset using the Pro Lock key. Connecting a lamp, we can see the step changes in voltage. Voltage locking and overload reset functions are standard on low voltage outputs. The Power Pro regulated power supply offers 2 to 14 volts AC and regulated DC in 9 steps up to 6 amps. The regulated DC output is recommended for experiments requiring a more constant voltage, for example, Ohm's law and electrical energy. The maximum voltage drop on full load is 0.7 volts. The maximum voltage can be preset using the Pro Lock key. Voltage locking and overload reset functions are standard on the low voltage outputs. The Power Pro variable power supply offers 0 to 15 volts AC and DC at up to 6 amps. The output is continuously variable. The maximum voltage can be preset using the Pro Lock key. Voltage locking and overload reset functions are standard on low voltage outputs. The Power Pro EHT output is continuously displayed and variable from 0 to 6 kilovolts. The overload reset operates only on the 6.3 volt AC output, which serves Teltron tubes at up to 2 amps. Current output is limited to 2 milliamps or 50 microamps for safety. The 50 microamp output is ideal for electrostatics experiments. The 2 milliamp output can drive any of the gas-filled spectrum tubes and give a measure of the striking voltage. First hydrogen, then argon. The Power Pro electromagnetic power supply provides low voltages and high currents. 2 volts AC center tapped and 2 volts DC at up to 10 amps. The outputs can be short-circuited. Passing a current through a straight wire, passing over a compass, gives an indication of the magnetic field's direction. The force on a conductor apparatus provides for demonstration and investigation of the motor effect and Fleming's left-hand rule.